Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Accessory Lab. Today we're checking out the top 10 best car covers to protect your vehicle from the elements. Whether you're battling harsh sun, heavy snow, or just dusty garage air, the right cover can save your paint and resale value. Now here's why it matters. We've tested dozens of options, from all-weather heavy-duty shields to lightweight indoor skins. And trust me, you'll want to see this for breathable fabrics that prevent scratches while blocking UV rays and moisture. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Bocarmo. Bocarmo is perfect for the modern professional who demands both style and substance in their daily carry essentials. Featuring premium full-grain leather construction, this meticulously crafted wallet offers a sleek, minimalist profile that fits comfortably in any pocket. Made with reinforced stitching and RFID blocking technology, it provides superior protection for your cards and sensitive information without adding unnecessary bulk. Its thoughtfully designed interior includes multiple card slots and a hidden cash compartment, ensuring effortless organization for all your essentials. Whether you are heading to a business meeting or a casual dinner, the Bocarmo wallet combines timeless elegance with practical functionality. Lightweight yet durable, it is an essential accessory for anyone who values craftsmanship, security, and refined simplicity in their everyday life. Season Guard. The Season Guard is the perfect solution for homeowners seeking to protect their outdoor investments from harsh weather conditions all year long. Featuring heavy-duty, weather-resistant construction, this durable cover shields your patio furniture, grills, and equipment from rain, snow, sun, and wind damage. Made from premium, tear-proof fabric with reinforced seams, it offers superior protection against fading, rust, and moisture buildup while remaining breathable to prevent mold. Its adjustable drawstring closure ensures a snug, secure fit even during strong storms, and the lightweight design makes installation effortless. Whether you are storing seasonal gear or safeguarding everyday essentials, the Season Guard combines reliability with long-lasting durability, making it an essential addition for anyone who values their outdoor belongings. Cotryvox. The Cotryvox is perfect for professionals and creatives who demand crystal-clear communication in any environment. Featuring advanced noise-canceling technology, it filters out background distractions to ensure your voice is heard with pristine clarity during calls or recordings. Equipped with a premium dynamic microphone and a sleek, ergonomic design, the Cotryvox delivers superior sound capture while remaining comfortable for extended use. Its durable aluminum body and compact size make it an ideal travel companion for meetings, podcasts, or studio sessions. Whether you are working from a bustling coffee shop or a quiet home office, the Cotryvox enhances your audio quality effortlessly. Built for reliability and performance, this essential tool elevates every conversation, making it a must-have for anyone serious about sound. Uxcell. The uxcell product is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals seeking reliable hardware components for their projects. Featuring durable construction from high-quality materials, this item ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to wear. Made from precision-engineered parts, it delivers a secure fit and smooth operation, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Its compact design allows for easy installation in tight spaces, saving you time and effort during assembly. Whether you are repairing electronics, building furniture, or working on automotive tasks, this versatile component offers the dependability you require. The uxcell product combines practicality with superior craftsmanship, making it an essential addition to any toolbox or workshop for achieving consistent results. Iautaxesoriz. The iautaxesoriz is the perfect solution for professionals and home users who demand efficient and accurate document processing in their daily workflow. Featuring advanced optical character recognition technology, it swiftly converts printed or handwritten text into editable digital formats with remarkable precision. Made from durable, lightweight materials, this compact device is designed for portability without sacrificing performance, fitting seamlessly into any workspace or travel bag. Its intuitive one-button operation eliminates complex setup, allowing users to scan, save, and share documents in seconds, significantly reducing manual data entry time. Whether you are digitizing receipts, archiving contracts, or organizing study notes, the iautaxesoriz delivers superior speed and reliability. GUNHYI. The GUNHYI is perfect for anyone seeking a reliable and efficient solution for everyday organization and convenience. Featuring a durable, high-quality construction, This versatile tool is made from premium materials designed to withstand daily use, while maintaining a sleek and modern appearance. Equipped with a practical and intuitive design, it simplifies tasks by keeping essential items securely in place and easily accessible whenever you need them. Its compact and lightweight build ensures portability without sacrificing functionality, making it ideal for use at home, in the office, or on the go. Whether you are tidying up your workspace or managing small essentials, the GUNHYI combines practicality with lasting durability. Its thoughtful engineering and user-friendly features make it an essential accessory for anyone who values efficiency and order in their daily routine. Migaven. Migaven is the perfect solution for professionals and home cooks who demand precision and efficiency in their kitchen. Featuring an ultra-sharp stainless steel blade, this versatile tool glides through vegetables, fruits, and herbs with effortless ease, reducing prep time significantly. Made from durable, high-quality materials, it offers exceptional resistance to rust and wear, ensuring long-lasting performance. Equipped with an ergonomic, non-slip handle, it provides a comfortable and secure grip, even when hands are wet or oily. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, while the sleek profile allows for compact storage in any drawer. Whether you are chopping for a quick meal or preparing an elaborate feast, Migaven combines superior craftsmanship with practical design, making it an essential addition to any culinary arsenal. Victoper. The Victoper is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and DIYers who demand reliability and power in a portable package. Featuring a robust motor and a high-capacity lithium battery, this tool delivers exceptional performance for cutting, trimming, and clearing tasks around your property. Made from durable materials, it is built to withstand frequent use while remaining lightweight for easy maneuverability. Its ergonomic design reduces fatigue, allowing you to work longer without discomfort. Whether you are maintaining a garden, clearing overgrown brush, or tackling small-scale landscaping projects, the Victoper offers superior efficiency and control. Its compact size makes it simple to store and transport, ensuring you always have a dependable solution ready to go. For anyone seeking a versatile and powerful outdoor tool, the Victoper is an essential addition to your equipment collection. EzyShade. The EzyShade is perfect for anyone seeking instant, portable sun protection during outdoor activities, from beach days to sporting events. Featuring a patented pop-up design that sets up in seconds without any assembly, it provides a generous 6-foot diameter of cooling shade. Made from durable, UV-resistant fabric with a UPF 50+ rating, it effectively blocks over 98% of harmful ultraviolet rays. Equipped with built-in ground stakes and sand pockets, the EzyShade stays securely anchored in various terrains, while its lightweight, collapsible frame folds into a compact carry bag for effortless transport. Whether you are relaxing on the sand or cheering from the sidelines, this canopy offers superior coverage and convenience. URPOWER. The URPOWER product is perfect for anyone seeking a reliable and efficient solution for their daily needs. Featuring advanced technology and a user-friendly design, this device delivers consistent performance that simplifies your routine. Made from premium, durable materials, it ensures long-lasting use while maintaining a sleek and modern appearance. Its intuitive controls and compact build make it easy to operate and store, saving you valuable time and space. Whether you are at home, in the office, or on the go, the URPOWER adapts seamlessly to your lifestyle, providing superior functionality without unnecessary complexity. Lightweight yet robust, it offers the perfect balance of portability and strength for everyday tasks. For those who value quality, convenience, and style, the URPOWER is an essential addition to any modern household.